I am P. Sri Renuka Devi, studying second MSc Nutrition Dietetics in NKR Government Arts College for Women, Namakkal. Today I am going to present about value-added product using Kalonji seeds. What is Kalonji seeds? Kalonji or Nicola sativa is considered a miraculous herb. It is widely grown in different parts of the world and it is an annual herb cultivated in India. The seeds of Kalonji find their use as a spice and in herbal medicine. Nicola seeds or Kalonji seeds are an interesting spice when used for tempering. It also adds beautiful aroma to the dishes and hints of flavor. It is loaded with trace elements like vitamins, crystalline alkaline amino acids, crude fiber, linoleic acid, and oleic acid. A rich source of P4, Kalonji boosts metabolism, keep cholesterol normal, balance levels of insulin, facilitate blood circulation throughout the body. Nutritive value of Kalonji seeds per 100 gram. Calorie 375 kilocalories, protein 17.81 gram, total fat 22.27 gram, saturated fat 1.5 gram, monounsaturated fat 14.04 gram, polyunsaturated fat 3.27 gram, carbohydrate 44.24 gram, fiber 10.5 gram, sugar 2.25 gram, sodium 168 mg, calcium 931 mg, phosphorus 499 mg, iron 66.36 mg, potassium 1788 mg, vitamin A 64 IU, vitamin C 7.7 mg, vitamin E 3.33 mg, vitamin K 5.4 mcg as per USDA. Health benefits of Kalonji seeds. Health benefits are keeps your heart healthy, helps to manage diabetes, addresses breathing problem, it has anti-carcinogenic properties, it fights against ache, increases memory and elevates asthma, it aids weight loss, decreases joint pain, it makes teeth stronger, strengthens immunity, controls blood pressure and it protects the kidney. Role of Kalonji seeds. Prevent diabetes, helps in weight loss, reduce cholesterol level. Value-added product. I make Kalonji tea and spice and nut mix. It is Kalonji tea and it is spice and nut mix. Food preparation of Kalonji tea. Ingredients. Kalonji seeds half teaspoon, honey 1 teaspoon, lemon juice half lemon, water 2 cup. Method of cooking, boiling. Preparation. Pour the 2 cup of water in a saucepan and add half teaspoon of Kalonji seeds. Wait until the water turns into brown color. Turn off the flame, filter and squeeze lemon and honey. Step-by-step process of Kalonji tea. Boiling of Kalonji seeds and water. Squeeze lemon and add honey. Here is the final product of Kalonji tea. Spice and nut mix. Ingredients: almonds 50 gram, sesame seeds 20 gram, Kalonji seeds 10 gram, coriander seeds 10 gram, honey seeds 10 gram, salt as per taste. Spice and nut mix. Method of cooking: dry roasting and grinding. Preparation: dry roasting the almonds and other seeds until it turns to light brown color. After roasting, put the nuts and seeds to the food processor and grind to the coarse powder. Here the step-by-step process of spice and nut mix. Dry roasting the almonds, dry roasting sesame seeds and all the other seeds. Put the dry roasted ingredients into the food process and mix it in the coarse powder. Here is the final product. Nutritive value of Kalonji tea. Energy 28.175 kilocalories, carbohydrate 5.636 gram, protein 0.51 gram, fat 0.6125 gram, fiber 0.3475 gram, vitamin C 2.1425 milligram. Here the graphical presentation of nutritive value of Kalonji tea. Nutritive value of spice and nut mix. Energy 509.5 kilocalories, carbohydrate 17.534 gram, protein 17.371 gram, fat 41.967 gram, calcium 561.5 mg, iron 12.051 mg, vitamin C 2.77 mg. Here is the graphical representation of nutritive value of spice and nut mix. Roles of value-added product Kalonji tea. Free from caffeine, packed with antioxidant. This tea has a higher than usual amount of antioxidant purely from black seeds. This antioxidant can neutralize harmful free radicals and prevents oxidative damage to cells. May prevent chronic condition. This tea can prevent against several types of chronic conditions such as cancer, diabetes, heart diseases, and obesity. Black seed tea in specific favor against pancreatic lung cancer. Lowest cholesterol. Although cholesterol in some amount is essential to the body, too much cholesterol can increase your risk of heart diseases. This tea can help in reduce both total and bad LDL cholesterol. Products against bacterial strains. Black sea tea has antibacterial properties that are effective at fighting off certain strains of bacteria and bacteria-related diseases. It also can inhibit the growth of bacteria, elevates and suppress inflammation. In most cases, inflammation is a normal immune response that helps protect the body against injury and infection. This tea can elevate and suppress inflammation. This can be beneficial for cold, flu, asthma as well. These properties help in treating oxidative stress as well. Role of value-added product, spice and nut mix. Nuts are high in fat and nutrients, and they have been shown to aid weight loss. Almonds not only provide source of protein, but they are also chock full of antioxidant. They contain vitamin E to protect cells from free radical damage, folate to boost metabolism, and niacin to boost brain function. Folate is an important addition to food as most people don't get enough in a normal diet. Both spice and nuts are rich in oleic acid, which helps your body efficiently burn fat. The spices has positive effects on your health too. Kalonji has been proven to protect against obesity, diabetes. Coriander reduces sun damage to the skin, exhibits anti-cancer properties, and fight against inflammation as well as being antifungal. Evaluation of Kalonji tea using scorecard and its graphical representation. Evaluation of spice and nut mix using scorecard and its graphical presentation. Suggestion of Kalonji tea. It contains nicoline, an antioxidant enzyme which helps in controlling obesity, makes the people to feel full. Used for weight loss, diabetic, cardiovascular patients. Taken 45 minutes before or after meal. Consumption of more may lead to lower blood pressure below normal. Pregnancy people should avoid this tea. Suggestion of spice and nut mix. Contains almonds which contains unsaturated fatty acid and other seeds which helps in anti-inflammatory, prevent high blood pressure, increase bone mineral density. The combination of this spice and nut mix can help in weight loss, diabetic and heart problems. Both the product lower cholesterol and aids in weight loss and prevents diabetes. Summary. Kalonji seeds are rich in vitamins, nicoline, crowd fiber, hyaluronic acid helps in reduce inflammation, diabetes, asthma, liver problem and weight loss, immune and memory booster. Kalonji tea is low in calorie and contain nicoline which helps in reduce weight, diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Spice and nut mix helps in lowering diabetes, blood pressure and increase bone minerals. Conclusion. The Kalonji seeds are not taken more than 48 days. Through the development of value-added product using Kalonji seeds, I have prepared Kalonji tea and spice and nut mix which can be used for diabetes and obesity, and I included nutritive value of this product. Thank you for watching this video.